Hello everyone, this is Scott C. Waring of UFOSightsDaily.com. What you're looking at is one of the main photographs taken by one of the three pilots who witnessed an entire freaking fleet of UFOs. These UFOs were recorded by radar traffic controllers flying twice the speed of sound. Twice the freaking speed of sound. That's because they just came into our atmosphere from flying God knows where, from another location, another solar system, another galaxy. This maybe they shot across the universe. We really don't know, but these things are built for speed, and I'll show you exactly that. Can you see the UFO here? This is a close-up, more detailed picture I made of the UFO. You see this UFO right here. It's pretty highly detailed. I took it and changed it, and this is what I got. Now, let's look at this a little bit bigger. Do you see this UFO? Okay, this thing was literally built for speed. This was built for flying across not just the solar system, but across the universe. This is for faster than light speed. What I mean is, this is the glowing orb, and the glowing orb here inside contains the people. People that are being transported from one place to another. However, right here, you see panels. Do you see those panels? Those panels are rotating around the orb, and these panels allow it to adjust its speed from faster than light speed to, as you see, the speed of sound. It looks like twice the speed of sound is actually considered very, very slow for them, and I get that. If you're flying across the universe in just a few hours or a few minutes, flying the speed of sound is kind of a downer, I guess. But look at this. One panel, two panels, three panels, fourth panel right over here. These panels rotate around in a circle, and depending on which panels are powered up, changes the color of the panels as you see. The object's going quite slow, so only a few of these panels are powered up to the right energy to keep the speed up. So a lot of the panels are not even being used, and this one looks like it's turned on because it's orange. I think it would be powered up there. Where this one's darker, less visible, darker, less visible, darker, less visible, because it's not being used. It's going very slow right now. It's going very, very slow. So check that out. Is that amazing or what? Let's see if we can make that a little bit bigger for you. I'm going to take that and I'm going to enlarge it. Okay, let's change it. Let's see. There we go. Now, nobody's tried to analyze this photo of the UFO itself. This is the first view that you will see on YouTube, and it's quite remarkable. I even kind of wonder, excuse me, it's like 6:25 a.m. in the morning here in Taiwan. Forgive me. Okay, and kind of looks like maybe there's a creature or a person in there, but I doubt that. I think there's like, probably close to 100 people in here at least. So I think it would be about very small, like this size, so we won't be able to see the people inside. But you can see the technology. Look at this. You can see these bumps and edges of the craft, of the panels that spin and rotate. Okay, and they have some odd connection. Instead of a perfect flat seam, they have a kind of edgy seam, which is really cool. I mean, this is something you'd see in a sci-fi movie or something. Look at this, the bottom. Look at the edges of the bottom. Okay, so there's some kind of system on the bottom that keeps it pushing upward a little bit. Not very much, because you see that there's very little shift here. But there is do you notice a little bumps here? These bumps are where a larger or smaller burst of energy comes out of their systems it's not like a jet. You can consider it like a jet. It's more like a magnet, but it's not. It's a system that we totally don't have yet, unless it's in Area S4 of the United States Air Force inside Area 51. Kind of awesome. Just look at that. That is so freaking cool. Okay, here is another photo right here. Let me try to enlarge that for you. There are several photos. Let me take that and raise it to 13 for you. Okay. You can see that these UFOs are flying across here, here, and here. There's only 4 in here. They're glowing orb UFOs, and they're traveling super, super fast, enough to make the pilots of the aircraft panic. Okay, kind of awesome right there. Here's another one. I did not have it enlarged yet. I just had to jump on here at 6 in the morning, like the crazy dude I am. Okay, so here it is. And you see there's 1, 2, 3, maybe a 4th one, 5th one. You can't see the ones over here, and there's probably some behind the aircraft over here, and over here, and to the left. It's an entire freaking fleet of craft flying in from another system somewhere. So that's pretty crazy cool. Let's go to the best photo they published, which was this. Sorry, I did put up a close-up here. Forgive me for that. The actual full photo is here, and this is it, and I'll move it across so you can see that also this object down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 freaking UFOs flying. Okay, 8. And this is just some of them. This isn't all of them, okay? They couldn't catch them all in one photo. There was some lagging behind, and some speeding ahead, and some a little bit to the left, and some a little bit to the right. I mean, this is freaking awesome. This is really, really awesome. You have to trust pilots. And this is 3 pilots that witnessed it, not just 1. We put our lives of ourselves, our families, in the hands of these pilots, and these pilots are used to having hundreds of people on their plane every day, many times a day, and they are very careful. They are experts in their field at anything flies, anything that flies, anything that could be in danger to them. So you can really, really trust their opinion when they say they see a UFO. Okay, this is kind of cool. Just wanted to share that real fast for you at 6:29 a.m. I'm going to bed, guys. I'm going to bed. This is too early for me. But I just wanted to show you these things and get your thoughts on it in the comments below. Please like and subscribe, and I sure as hell will make more videos for you very soon. Alright, guys. Take it easy. Bye-bye.